but just a quick overview of kind of the things you can do with document and email merge. You can create Word or PDF or Excel outputs through our merge tool. You can create just hard copy documents. You can send emails, or you can send emails with attachments. You can do merges in mass, as some of you have requested. You can also just do single one-off merges from record pages. And lastly, with our scheduler add-on, you can automate the merge process so that it runs on a cadence and you don't have to do anything. So I'll go ahead and share screen real quick and run through the demo. Okay. So we're going to kind of go through chronologically how the merge tool works. First, you create a merge template using Word or Google Docs, and you would add in these merge fields that are going to get populated. And then what you do is you come into Apsona, and we have to use the documents object as our templates. So you can upload from your computer. So I'll just very quickly upload my test here and save it, and then it's going to show it on the left side here. So now it's a document available for merging. When you're creating a merge, you're going to start from a data source. It may be a report or the list view. Today, we're going to go into opportunity reports, and I'm going to do my demo here. I'm going to run this one. So this is an opportunity report. I have 5 opportunities, and I just want to generate letters for them. We have mail merge here as a button. I'm going to run a existing one, but kind of walk through it. So we're going to do this demo. I'm going to click edit just so I could show you the steps. So first you choose your template from the list that we uploaded. I have a different one than what I just uploaded because it's just already prepared. You could choose a PDF or a docx as your output. You can create a single file for printing that has every record on it, or you can separate the files for other purposes if you want different digital files. If you have multiple templates that you need to kind of make decisions between in the same merge, we have a conditional templates feature that I'm not going to demo, but it's very powerful. The next step is mapping. So you take the fields that you had in your merge document, which can be named anything you want. You don't have to stick to any naming convention, and then you map them directly to fields from your data source. Lastly, I'm going to not show these now. I'm going to show these in a second merge, but you have a lot of options as to what to do after the merge. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and run it. I'm going to get a download, and it's going to pop up here. So here we have the same template, just populated with the data from the different records. So this is an example of kind of acknowledging a single opportunity, but for 5 different accounts. Next, what I'm going to do is check my notes and make sure that I'm covering all the details. Okay, so next what we're going to do is from the same report, I'm going to run a different merge, and I'm going to walk through it really quickly. This is to show how you can actually update records in Salesforce after you run the merge. So we're going to zoom through the last screen here and go to logging options. So with logging options, you could do a bunch of different things. You could update fields on the object that you're merging for so that it shows as acknowledged or whatever, and then it won't show up on your report next time. So it kind of manages itself. You can save the generated file that you've created as a Salesforce file related to the record that you merged on. You can also create tasks. So if I have an example here of like following up. So I sent a letter out and I need to follow up with the customer later. I can create tasks that are set up a certain way so that I'm reminded of that. And when I save and run, it's going to be a different output because I chose a single file per object. So this one actually gives us a zip file, which I'm not going to open. But what I want to do is go to one of these opportunities and show some of the results here. So I have a follow-up task that was created. Over here, I have the related file as an attachment, and I believe that my field summary sent is checked here. And then lastly, what I'm going to do is show running a merge from a button. So right now I'm on an account record page. I want to send a year-end summary document that has all of the opportunities for this account. So what I'm going to use is a merge template with what we call sublists. Sublists allow you to pull multiple related records into a merge. And I'm doing it from a button. So here's my button, end of your summary. I click proceed. It's going to take a little bit of time to run and generate. And then what I'm going to get, this time I am merging into a PDF. So I can download the result, open this up, and it's going to open up in my native PDF thing. And now what I have is my account data up here and a list of opportunities related to that account. So those are some kind of general ways that people use document and email merge. I didn't get into the email side because it's just time consuming to go into your inbox and all that, but you can send emails and merge text directly into the email, or you can attach the files as I mentioned. And I think that brings us to the end.